Pippi, where's the froggy? He's a froggy.
That's right. This could be your new home. It's even in the 4th annual Dreamhouse Raffle, a benefit for Special Olympics Southern California. That is $4 million. This beautiful 6-bedroom, Susan Oaks home is being raffled off. There are over 1,400 prizes.
Pippi, what are you doing with the froggy? Were you giving it to Daddy?
Here we go. Here we go. Pippi, come over here. Come over here. Come here. Come over here.
Gigi got it.
Uh-oh.
Gigi got the frog.
What happened? How did Gigi get that? You better get it back, Pippi. That's your frog. Yeah, go out there and get that frog.
Get the frog, Pippi. Get it.
Gigi, give her the frog. Let it drop.
Gigi, give Pippi the frog.
Let it drop. Let it drop, honey. Come on, let it drop. Pretty close. Oh. Oh, she's going to get it. Uh-oh.
Gigi.
Aerial coverage from Sky 2 is brought to you by Stater Brothers, where you always get more for less. In high definition, this is CBS 2 News at 6 p.m.
She was really doing what she loved, and she was doing something that really made a difference.
Tonight we're learning more about a promising young diplomat. Her life cut short by a Taliban attack. Hello everyone, I'm Sharon McKay. Susie Sutton has the news.
She was baiting her.
Secretary of State John Kerry is using the word cowards to describe the terrorists responsible for attacks on American civilians and soldiers in Afghanistan this weekend. CBS 2's Ines Ferre reports one of the victims was a young diplomat on humanitarian.
She's pulling Gigi's hair.
Foreign Service Officer Anne Smettinghoff was delivering books to a school in Afghanistan when her convoy was hit on Saturday. The Taliban
Where is it,
claims
Pippi?
responsibility for the attack that killed the 25-year-old, along with another civilian and 3 U.S. soldiers.
Oh, good girl. We got a new toy. We got a new toy.
So many great things.
Here.
She was a hard worker. She was energetic.
In the Chicago suburb where Smettinghoff grew up, American flags and white ribbons were displayed in support of the
Thank you, Pippi. Thank you, honey. Good girl.